Every knight deserves great partner. A good folding knife that also serves as a powerful EDC tool. This is NE20413 K30. It features a full-size folding knife that can be quickly opened with one thumb. Fluid, silky, and incredibly sharp, cutting through with ease. It also comes with large scissors, powered by Next Scissors System 2.0. You'll find a Phillips screwdriver, a flip driver that works as a flathead screwdriver, and of course, a file, a threader, the tweezers, and a bottle opener. NE20413 K30, the spirit of a knight, always by your side.